Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in yet another video. Today I will be sharing with you my signature coconut dairy-free cookies. These are chewy and super tasty. In a bowl, start by adding your vegetable oil. Make sure the kind of oil you are using, it is of good quality, nice oil, because you will be testing the oil in your cookies. To that, add an egg and then coconut flavor to enhance the coconut essence in the cookies. Make sure at this rate you are already preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. If you are going to bake these cookies using an oven, mix until you have a very nice smooth mixture. Then to that add your brown sugar, icing sugar, or it can be powdered sugar. Yeah. Then baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I left all the measurements up there in the upright corner. So mix all that up until there are no lumps. The brown sugar will give these cookies a brown color, and then it will also make them chewy on the inside. And then the icing sugar, because it has that bit of cornstarch to make them a little bit crunchy on the outside. Then to that add your desiccated coconut and then your flour. I started with 1 cup of flour, then later on I added the 1/4 cup of flour. According to the measurements, I used 1 1/4 cup of flour. So I spiced them up with ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So feel free to spice them up with any other spice that you would love to taste in your cookies. Like you can see there, I'm adding in my 1/4 cup. Then mix until you have a very nice soft cookie dough that we are going to use to make these coconut cookies. It's no secret, I'm a coconut lover. I love coconut, so anything to do with coconut, I'm in for it. And if you're a coconut lover like me, then this is definitely a recipe for you to try. So start by scooping, roll into a bowl, and then coat with shredded coconut, and then line the cookies on a baking tray lined with a parchment paper, and leave a little bit of space in between such that they have room for expansion. They can as well be baked using your stovetop, using charcoal like I showed you in my earlier videos of cookies that I made. Kindly go check them out on my YouTube channel. They are there. So at this rate, make sure that if you are not going to use an oven, you are already preheating your pan. Like you can see there is a little bit of space in between the cookies. Then bake for 8 to 10 minutes depending on your oven. Meanwhile, help me subscribe to my channel, help me grow. It is free of charge. Right there is my channel. Click on the subscribe button. Once you are done, come here and turn on your notification. Then that implies you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Help me give a thumbs up whenever you like a video. This helps me with YouTube algorithm. It helps my channel to grow. It helps more people to watch my content, appreciate, comment, and share with family and friends. Thanks. So after like 10 minutes, like you can see, the cookies are ready. They have cracks on top. They are crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. When we are baking cookies, we take them out when they are still soft, and as they cool, they harden. So make sure that you do not take out your cookies in the oven once they are hard, because as they cool down, they get to harden even more, and you will have hard cookies. Let them cool and then you can store them in an airtight container. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Check out my other coconut videos I have on my channel. These are some of them. Please go subscribe, like, and share. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Until next time.